To get started with Blender for Minecraft animations, open a web browser and go to blender.org/download. This is the official download page for Blender, which is a powerful 3D animation program that is completely free and works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. While there are other professional 3D programs like 3ds Max or Maya, those can cost thousands of dollars, whereas Blender is free for everyone. On the download page, click the main download button to get the latest version of Blender for your operating system. Once the file finishes downloading, open it from your browser or your Downloads folder and follow the on-screen instructions to install Blender. If you're not on Windows, you can use the drop-down menu on the download page to select the correct version for your system. After installing Blender, open another browser tab and go to nilsoderman.com/downloads/minecraft-blender-rig. This page offers free Minecraft Blender files that you can use for animation. The downloads include Minecraft blocks, structures, mobs, and character rigs, making it much easier to create Minecraft-style animations inside Blender. Once downloaded, you can open these files in Blender and start working with Minecraft models right away.